What's up, my beautiful viewers and subscribers? I hope everything is good with all of my precious viewers and subscribers. This is JK Engineering and Architecture coming to you again with another video. Now, in today's video, there are some clarity that I want to bring to this topic. And this topic is about who owns the copyright to a set of design or a set of building plan. Is it the architect or the client? And I'm going to elaborate on that. Now, when it comes to the copyright of a set of drawings or a set of design, it is automatic that the architects or the draftsperson or whosoever prepared those designs have the exclusive copyright to those designs. And that is based on my research. I researched this topic on Google, and I have spoken to an architect, a friend of mine, and I've also spoken to a real estate lawyer in Jamaica about this. Now, when the architect or the draftsperson prepare a set of drawings on behalf of his clients, what the clients actually pay for is that set of drawings or that set of design to execute their construction of their building only once, right? Only once. So if it is that you have constructed your building and you have a friend come over to your house, or a passerby, or whosoever the case might be, fell in love with your building and wants to replicate the design, the proper way how to go about that is that the client should indeed consult the architect to get the architect or that draftsperson or that designer express permission to do so, right? Not because the client pay for the drawings, it means that they have exclusive right to that drawings. As I've said before, what the client actually paid for is that set of drawings to construct their building only once, right? The client cannot replicate that design, cannot publish those designs, cannot sell those designs unless the client get approval from the designer. In addition to that, and I just want to enforce this point, that I love garnet silk. I am a garnet silk fan, right? And if it is that I go into a store and I purchase a garnet silk CD, yes, I purchased that CD. That CD is mine. I can use that CD for my domestic purpose, but not because I purchased that CD, it means that I can replicate that CD or sell that CD and make a profit from it. No, that is against copyright law, and you're infringing on the publisher or the artist's copyrights, right? And that is deemed as copyright infringement. In addition to that, and I want to put this squarely, that when the architects design that building or produced a set of plans on behalf of his clients, the architect does not need the client's permission to either sell those drawings, to replicate those drawings, or to publish those drawings. The architect does not need the client permission to do that, right? So I want this topic to be clear, especially for those of you who might have think otherwise where this topic is concerned. So the architects or the designer, as mentioned by me before, has the exclusive right to those set of plans. The only way the client can have as a say or can restrict the architect from doing such is unless there is a contract to the contrary. So if it is in the contract that between the client and the architects or the draftsperson that these drawings should not be replicated, then the architect is not allowed to do that without the client's permission. But that is if it is in a contract stipulating that. Other than that, the architect has the exclusive right. And for me personally, I do not know if I would enter into a contractual agreement such as that, because I wouldn't know how to put a dollar value to the client to prevent me from doing that. And I don't know if it's going to be beneficial for me to do that as against me having the right to publish or to sell those drawings. So that is for me personally. Another person, another draftsperson, another architect or engineer might see it differently. So I just want to make this topic clear. So for those of you who did not understand, to reinforce my point, I have done a little research on Google and I've typed in "do architects own plan?" And what I have as the answer for that is that the architects own the plan. Let me repeat, the architects own the plan. More important, as the creator of the plans, he also owns the copyright, the exclusive legal right to reproduce, publish, and to sell them. This means you cannot legally use the plans without his permission, meaning the architect permission. In furtherance to that, I have also Googled the 10 things you should know about architectural copyright. And I'm going to read for you number 9. Right? And number 9 states that the original architect or designer remains the owner of any copyrights in the architectural design, even if the contractor or owner pay for the design. Now this is very important. Let me read it one more time. It says the original architect or designer remains the owner of the copyrights in the architectural design, even if the contractor or the owner pay for the design. So you can Google this topic. If anyone out there wants to understand this topic some more, you can also do your research. But let me read what 9 is saying. It says, in many construction projects, the owner, the construction manager, or contractor will contract an architect or designer to design the project. Regardless of payment, if the contract does not state otherwise, the original architect or designer retains ownership of the copyright, and the purchaser merely obtains a non-exclusive license to use the plans for that particular construction project. This means that the owner and or contractor do not necessarily have the right to use the purchase plans for any other projects and do not have the right to prevent the original designer from selling those same plans to other owners and or contractors, right? So there it is. So you can do your own research, and all of my research based on this topic comes up with the same answer. So I just want it to be clear that my channel is about bringing knowledge to my viewers and subscribers where engineering and architectural or construction related matters come to the fore. So that is it for this short video. Remember now to leave a comment in the form of a question, especially where this topic is concerned. I'm expecting to get some comments in the form of question. And remember to hit the thumbs up button and give the video a like, and I will catch you in another video. And as I said before, I'm going to do some teaching as it relates to structural engineering. So big up on yourself and enough respect. Thank you.